Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to create realistic snow. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Enjoy watching. Let's get started. The first step is to open an image you'd like to use. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool and choose a brush with hard edges. Select the brush panel. Select brush tip shapes. Choose a brush size that fits the image size, spacing 900%. Click on Shape Dynamics. Size jitter 80%. Minimum diameter 5%. Angle jitter 40%. Roundness jitter 70%. Minimum roundness 35%. Select scattering. Scatter 1000%. Select transfer. Opacity jitter 10%. Make sure smoothing is checked. Choose white color for the foreground. Now, click and drag to add snow. Use the eraser to erase unwanted flakes. Head up to Filter, Stylize, Diffuse. You can choose Mode Normal. Head up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 1 pixel is a good choice. Create a new layer. Add large snowflakes. This will make the look as if the snow is closer to the camera. Head up to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Angle -880 degree and distance 25 pixels. Create a new layer. Make sure Shape Dynamics is unchecked. Add a few large flakes. Head up to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Angle -880 degree and distance 25 pixels. Create a new layer. Select a big brush with hard edges. Add this effect to the corners. Change the blending mode to screen. Decrease the opacity to 20%. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel.